Hello, future CA. Yes, let me call you by that name. So you are looking for best audit lectures at CA final level, and you have your exams maybe in November 24, May 25. All right, so in that bracket, and you want to ensure that you feel super confident in audit subject, then you are at the right place, looking at the right video. The options that are available with us, I will talk about that. But before I talk about the options and stuff, I just request you to go on our YouTube channel, check the results, check the feedbacks, genuine feedbacks. Also check my paper analysis video of May 24. Just check the comments over there, and that will be enough for you to get sufficient and appropriate evidence. Let me say, in fact, conclusive evidence, forensic evidence, that why you should enroll with us. Now coming to the options that are available. So when it comes to CA final, obviously either you are searching for regular course or you are searching for fast track course. All right, you are either searching या तो आप हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स में सर्च कर रहे हो, or you are searching in English. All right, fortunately we have all the options available in the new syllabus. All right, so this regular course English, fast track English, fast track English was done recently. All of these are recent courses. All right, and ये courses live class में सामने सामने हुए हैं, and you will get the recording of that. All right, it's already available. When it comes to regular course English, it is more of an in-camera kind of studio recording. Next English batch जो है, it is scheduled live batch, classroom coaching and stuff. It is scheduled in Mumbai, November, December 24 in that period, and this Zoom live also available. So after that we will have one more set of new lectures. All right. लेकिन अगर आपका attempt, if your attempt is in November 24, May 25, and you are searching for that English option, all right, then I would suggest go for fast track English. It was recently done, so it is fresh new lectures available. Although even this is new, edited properly as per new syllabus, but I want to be very frank with you. All right, so no professor will be so honest, let me tell you. And ये सब तो English batch, because we are in Mumbai, or rolling basis पे every 2-3 months it keeps happening. All right, so the lectures are always latest. I'm the one in the industry who will always have latest lectures with him. All right, so don't worry about it. So this is, the lecture recording when it was recorded and stuff. But if you're looking for a new live fast track, all right, then live fast track in Mumbai, all right, starts 18th July. Okay, so you can enroll ASAP to receive books on time. This 18th, if the books are not delivered on time because of rainy season and stuff, then this 18th may go to 20th, but 20th July to for sure we will start. All right, so 18th से 20th July के bracket में this is going to start 2024. All right, and it will continue till 16th August 2024. All right, morning lectures, Saturday, Sunday थोड़ा lengthy lectures होगा. Sunday will be more lengthy, 7 to 2 का slot, something like that. All right, and Saturday will take till 7 to 10, 30, 11. Otherwise it is daily 3 hours. When it comes to books and stuff, don't worry at all. अरे भाई, May 24 paper, 70 to 75% was from my revision lectures. All right, so don't worry at all. Okay, but again, जैसे जैसे the more you go into the new syllabus and when the attempts move ahead, obviously the difficulty level will also increase of the ICI. So we are covering 100% ICI material, 100% questions. In fact, regular course की तरह question bank discussion is also covered. All right, is also covered even in fast track. So sir, what is the difference between regular course and fast track? Just give me 2 minutes. All right. So when it comes to books, you have content question bank. Question bank is the same that we share in regular course, fast track. दोनों courses में question bank same share होता है. Your chapters, there are 19 chapters in the syllabus. 19 chapters. 11 chapters are based upon your standards on auditing. I mean auditing standards. और जो बाकी के 8 topics है, they are based on non-standards. Non-standards line by line, regular course, fast track course same share होता है. There is only little bit of difference in standards. वो भी little bit of difference. All right. Why is a little bit of difference? If you see demo or lectures of 30-40 minutes, you will understand. इसलिए demo lectures हम लोग frankly standards का share करते हैं. If I share demo lecture of professional ethics, whether you see regular or fast track, it is almost the same. All right. Just in fast track, little bit थोड़ा speed ज़्यादा होता है. That's it. Okay, but I want to be honest with you, and that is why I share the recordings of standards. तो आपको clearly difference पता चले between regular and fast track. 1 or 2 lectures are available on YouTube, demo lectures. You want to see 3-4 demo lectures, you can ask my team. They will ask you to download one app. Okay, you can they will unlock first 4-5 lectures in the app, and then you can see those demo lectures. तो 4-5 demo तक भी allowed है. All right, so don't worry about it. Okay, maximum 5 demos you will be allowed if you want to go through the demo lectures. Sir, what about the MCQ part and stuff? The way in which I will teach you, you don't have to worry about it. Still MCQ practice and lot of things go on Telegram groups and वो तो चलता ही रहता है. Question bank में तो है ही module MCQs, but even for extra MCQs, Telegram groups and everything, we keep on giving more and more stuff. 6 unit test भी है दिया है. I've given 6 unit test also in Telegram groups. So relax, don't worry about it. All right. So this is all about the content and the difference between regular fast track. Sir, we see number of hours का difference over here. Sir, the major difference is because in regular course, first I write a concept. पहले मैं concept लिखता हूँ. Then I ask them, all right, to copy it. Then I wait in front of them. So that is where around 30 hours difference तो वहाँ पे आ जाता है. Okay. And then in standards, little bit we have trimmed the concept. All right. जैसे in regular course you have in paragraph form, standards you have in chart form, but charts are also detailed charts. But थोड़ा बहुत trimming तो करना ही पड़ता है. All right. So I want to be very frank with you. All the concepts we are covering. In fact, if you want sufficient and appropriate evidence, then in May 24 for Telegram group, अगर आप देखो मैंने IBS को लेकर I have given indexing. And if you see indexing, you will realize that there is only minor difference between regular course and fast track course. All right. If you have time of around 12 months or so for your exams, regular course is better. But if your exams is in the next 5-6 months bracket, then obviously you should go for fast track course. Right? ये है मेरा recommendation. Okay. Now, sir, how to enroll? So you just call this number 9313119022 or WhatsApp. All right. Because after results there are lots of calls that we get, so you can WhatsApp also, you'll get the details. But if you want to go for the recorded lectures, 100% recorded lectures, all right, then in that case आप यहाँ पे recording lectures means whatever I've taken live उसी का recording है. Then you can go to my website theauditacademy.com. You can see feedback of all the students over here. All right, and you can go to audit lectures and choose your combination over there, and you will get the recorded lectures. Okay. But if you want to join any upcoming live batch, all right, then in that case you have to download my mobile app. Sir, from where to download mobile app? From here. See, you have the links. Okay. Download the mobile app. In the mobile app, go to the courses section में जाओ, courses section में, and then you type what is the next batch number, 18th July starting, B40. All right, B40 batch, and you will get all the details over there. All right. So that is how you can enroll in a live batch. Sir, what is the fees and stuff? देखो fees इसमें आपको दिख जाएगा. Okay. And for live batch also similar range fees we have. Little bit expensive होता है live batch. Otherwise similar होता है. So obviously 10-12% difference will be there. But fast track course is somewhere in the range of it keeps fluctuating. So 4,500 to 6,000 rupees. All right, and a regular course that we have is in the range of 7,200 to it goes to 9,000, 10,000 based upon the validity views and stuff that you select. But let me tell you, boss, massive in studio recording nahi karta. We have a class over here in Mumbai and we try to create live environment and I solve the doubts and stuff that can really help you. All right, because I know student at the ground level, so the cost factor is there. So that is why just for 500,000 rupees difference here and there, do not compromise with your career. Otherwise, you can always ask in the industry how student oriented I am. All right, and when it comes to doubt solving and stuff, I give personal attention. In May 24, more than 120 Zoom doubt solving sessions were conducted. All right, or WhatsApp doubt solving to hota hi hai. Okay, so don't worry about it. I am there with you. We are going to clear it. You are my future CA. All the best. All the best.